Hi, and welcome back to Skrach. Today we're going to make a homemade chicken soup. You'll need a pound of pre-cooked chicken. I'm using leftovers from my roast chicken recipe. If you don't have any, you can just cook a couple breasts and shred them. 6 cups of chicken broth, a teaspoon of black pepper, a quarter teaspoon of seasoning salt, 2 teaspoons of poultry seasoning from my other video, a quarter cup of butter, a quarter cup of flour, and 2 cups of mixed vegetables. First, we're going to set our stovetop to medium-high heat. And we're going to melt a quarter cup of butter. Once the butter's melted, we'll add a quarter cup of flour. And we'll stir this until it becomes a blonde roux. Once we have a blonde roux, we'll add our 6 cups of chicken broth. Then we'll add our roughly shredded chicken, a quarter teaspoon of seasoning salt, a teaspoon of black pepper, and 2 teaspoons of poultry seasoning. We'll stir this and let it come to a boil before reducing heat. Once the chicken soup starts to boil, we're going to reduce heat to low and let it simmer, stirring it occasionally for approximately 30 minutes. Once the soup has been simmering for about 30 minutes, I'll go ahead and add 2 cups of mixed vegetables. Stir those in and let the soup finish cooking for about 30 more minutes. It's been an additional 30 minutes and our chicken soup is now done, so we're going to remove it from the heat. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.